Alright, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I just wanted to put together a couple clips of my motorcycle trailer that I built out. It is really just a Tractor Supply 8x5 utility trailer, and really just wanted to cover the main points. I added these rails, this track system. I got all of this stuff pretty much off of Amazon. If you guys are looking to do a build like this, I will leave everything I did to this trailer in the description below. I got these tracks. I have 3 of them down the middle, and I do have 1 along the top. I also added 3 of these wheel chocks for motorcycles. Now granted, I can only tow 2 bikes at once on this trailer given the width of it. However, I just wanted to put 3, so if I'm doing 1 bike just alone, I can just put it in the middle instead of having to move and swap them around. Besides that, the only thing I did was add these little scissor stabilization jacks on the back, and that is just for loading and unloading the bikes, so when I pull it onto the trailer it doesn't fly up and, you know, cause any damage. So that is pretty much all I did with this trailer. I do have a couple stuff on this trailer that's just generic stuff, like a spare tire holder, spare tire, and then as well as the actual like jack wheel in the front. Besides that, that is the trailer build, and I will leave everything in the description below of what I did. Again, just wanted to make a quick video of the trailer.